Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Today I have some important news for all teacher recruitment aspirants. So you have to stay with me till the end because this video is especially for those who are feeling confused right now. See, let me give you the news first. On July 8th, that is yesterday, Prajavani published a news report. It says that our Education Minister, Mr. Madhu Bangarappa, announced that 20,000 teacher posts will be filled soon. This was actually during an event at an government PU college in Belagavi district. He also launched sports, cultural and NSS activities for this year 2025 to 26. He had lunch with government school children at Wakunda village, and there he said that once the internal reservation report is received, recruitment will begin for schools, aided schools and colleges. Now hearing this, I know that many aspirants tell, ma'am, we have heard this before. We cannot trust him anymore. See, actually we understand. You are tired. You have waited for 3 years now, right? So you are asking this question whether this is real or just another empty promise from the minister. See, let's look at logically. There are two chances, right? Either the minister is telling the truth or he is not serious as usual, you think, right? So if the minister is telling the truth means recruitment will happen soon after the reservation report is done, right? And if he is not serious means there may be more delay in the recruitment, right? But what is more important here is, if you believe him, what do you lose? If you don't believe him and stop preparing, who will suffer? So the answer is only you will suffer, right? So if you think that everything is fake means you won't study in that scenario. You will slow down, you will lose confidence, and that is very dangerous for your goal of becoming a government teacher, right? So you have to remember that this delay is happening for all aspirants in Karnataka. It is not just for you, right? So we are all in this together. Now just think, among all the aspirants who are waiting for the recruitment, if some will stop and some will give up, they will be staying behind, right? But there are few aspirants who are very serious and they will keep on preparing. They will be self-motivated and they are not at all waiting for any perfect conditions like notification or news reports, right? These aspirants are the future toppers. They will surely succeed when the exam finally comes. See, we are actually helping the aspirants by going out of our way. If you are our paid batch aspirant, then you will be knowing that either it is HSTR all 9 batches or GPSTR all 4 batches and CRISE or TET. All aspirants are having access to our classes till the exam date, right? Even batch 1 aspirants who have enrolled in 2022, even still they have access to all our classes and study material. Okay. For TET aspirants, it is yearly based. Whoever has taken our class just after 2024 TET exam, they will have access till 2025 TET exam. For whole 1 year, anyone can take the classes, and we always promise that after notification, there will be revision classes, and this time for TET, we are planning very good intensive preparation classes by keeping in mind the tough question paper of 2024. Okay. So you will have full access to our course until your day of examination. So that's why we promise we are with you till the end. Okay. Another important question which aspirants are worried about is whether this HSTR, GPSTR or CRISE recruitment, we can expect Karnataka TET exam to be conducted. See, the answer is yes, we can expect, because without TET, they cannot move forward with large recruitments, right? It will be unfair to thousands of aspirants who are waiting for TET, right? So you shouldn't lose heart. TET will surely come. After that only recruitment will be coming up. Okay. So let me say it again, whether you trust the system or not, whether things happen in 2 months, 4 months or more, you should not stop preparing. Whether you believe in the government or no, you should keep believing in yourself, because your preparation will never be wasted and everything you are learning today will help you in the exam tomorrow. So remember, this difficult time is a test of your patience and focus. If you pass this test, then you will surely achieve your dream. Okay, so we really hope that you are clear with the confusion regarding we should keep preparing or we should stop, or whether the newses are correct or wrong, or whether the minister is giving a serious promise or it is again a fake promise. So all that is not important now. Okay, so what is more important now is to keep believing in yourself. If you find anything more important, then please write it down in the comment section below, and also like and share this video with your fellow aspirants, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen for more updates, and whenever needed the motivation videos, and whenever needed the subject wise classes like physics, chemistry, maths and biology. So let's unfog your future together. All the best, stay strong and keep going. Bye.